This is the steering column on a Ford vehicle. Actually, it's a Mazda. It's actually a Ford vehicle, but it's labeled Mazda. This is the ignition lock, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take this out and put it back in. And the first step is to get this plastic shroud off, and that is held in by 3 screws underneath here, and 1 screw is underneath this tilt steering latch thing. You got to push this down to get to it. And also this lock will fit more than it's on several different Ford vehicles, and I'll put a list at the end of this video which models you'll find this lock in. And I think the only tool you'll need for this is a Phillips screwdriver. Once you have the 3 screws out, let's see, just separate this plastic shroud piece. Just take the lower one out. And take that off. So once you have the shroud off, there's a hole on the bottom of this lock that is right there. You need to stick something into it and depress a plastic piece on the lock to pull the lock out. Plastic piece is what latches the lock, or helps latch the lock into place. So take your key, turn the lock to the first position, which I think is the accessory position. I'm going to insert a punch into that lock, into that hole, depress the plastic piece, and pull the lock out. Now you've got the lock out, you've got the electrical switches in the accessory position, so if you're going to leave the lock out for a long time, you might want to disconnect the negative cable on the battery so you don't drain the battery. Or you can inserting something in here, or like your finger, and turn this electrical switch to the off position, but when you reinstall the lock you're going to have to turn it back to the accessory position to reinstall the lock. And then once you have the lock ready to reinstall, you insert the key, try and position it so that it's kind of close to the accessory position. This is the plastic piece that latches the lock, or helps latch it, and that goes into this bottom groove here. So you can play with the position to get it right, push it in, then turn the key to the off position, and the lock is reinstalled. Then you're ready to put everything back together. I'll post a picture any second now at the end of this video, so you can see what Ford cars use this lock. This lock is known to fail, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to fix this lock. It won't cost you anything except labor to get it working again. So, thanks for watching.